Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to wishlist GTA 6 on your PlayStation Store app. And let's get straight into the video. So one way is from Google. You can just go over to Google, type in PlayStation Store, go to the first link, then go ahead and search Grand Theft Auto VI. It will be the first one right here, Grand Theft Auto VI for PlayStation 5. You can go ahead and add to wishlist. Obviously, you'll need to log in. Now, you can also do this from the, you can do it from the PlayStation. Obviously, you can do it from the PS5 as well, directly from the PS5 App Store. Either way works. But anyways, once you add it to your wish list, you guys are good to go. And it is coming exactly a year from now, a year and 20 days. So that is something to keep in mind. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how to install our wish list GTA 6. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.